Sorry guys, I got carried away. My camera died, my battery died, so while I was charging my camera, I went haywire on the painting and just kept going. And ended up with this. This is the Forks of the Thames in London, Ontario. That's the river, the Thames River running through it, and with the bridge going across. Abstract. Enjoy. This painting will be for sale on darrenray.com at some point. But it's my first attempt at landscape and cityscapes. They're abstract and I don't know, I kind of like them. I'll see what else I can do with this. Alright, thanks for watching. See you again next time.